Hello everybody, this is Dr. Muhammad Salama, and I'm here today to tell you about a new study that we are embarking on, and it is actually related to BIM, or Building Information Modeling. As we all know that building information modeling is a stepping stone and very important for many further applications, including virtual reality, 3D drawing, and also 3D printing. So today we are embarking on trying to solve one of the issues with regard to how the curve model, the curve equation model can describe the initial value problem of differential equations in BIM. What we call it the rolling curve solving models is established, and we are here interested in looking at the angles and the dimensions and the corners, so in order to make sure that non-linear surfaces are established accurately by BIM, because if this is not the case, then all the following applications, including the 3D printing and the virtual reality, will be inaccurate. So in this research we are trying to use mathematical modeling, numerical modeling, particularly using differential equations in an attempt to improve the accuracy and solve this. This is a new technology, and this is actually has the advantage of material saving, high efficiency, and low energy consumption. So the technology is out there, and what we are trying to do is that we apply it to the context of BIM to enhance the accuracy and therefore the efficiency. This has been applied in many mechanical applications, in automotive sector and beyond. So we are trying to use this in our new application in order to, as I said, hopefully within a couple of months or so, this research will be out there and available for you, and published, available for you to check the details